Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 1. Today we are going to start computer class chapter 8. You can see page number 53. In page number 53 you can see working of computer. How computer works now we are going to learn. Look at the following pictures and think what step you follow before. Whenever you want to open something or what you have to follow, you can see the pictures. To enter your house, you open the door, open the window. First, whenever you enter your house, what you will open? You will open the door. To ride the bicycle, you open the helmet strap, open the lock. So, whenever you are going to ride a bicycle, what you will open? Open a lock. To watch TV, you switch it on, switch it off. So, when you watch TV, what you will do? Switch it on. And next, just like any other machine, computer needs to be switched on and switched off. So, just like any other machine like TV, so computer also you have to switch on and switched off. Okay. If we do this two tasks properly, our computer will last longer and run smoothly. This will also save electricity. So, if we do this two tasks properly, if we do switch on and switch off properly, our computer works very smoothly and very longer, and it also saves our electricity. So, please carry a computer, and whenever you are going to switch on your computer properly, and when you finish your work on a computer, you have to switch off your computer. Okay. Now, starting a computer. How to start the computer? There are some steps. Starting the computer is a simple process, but it has to be done in a proper sequence of steps. So, starting a computer is a simple process. How you have to start? Follow the step to switch on your computer. So, you have to follow the steps. Step 1, these are the pictures you can see. Step 1, switch on the main power button. First, when you are going to start computer, when you are going to work on a computer, you have to switch on a main power button, main switch. Next step, second step, next switch on the button of UPS if the computer is attached to one. So, if the UPS is attached to computer, you have to switch on the UPS button also. So, you can see the pictures, UPS button. Now, third step. Now, press the on restart button on CPU. So, now third step, you have to press the start button on CPU, restart button, and then finally step 4, finally switched on the monitor. So, these 1, 2, 3, when you have done these 3 steps, so finally you are going to on the monitor button. Okay. Now, that's how your computer works. Now, when the computer has started, it shows us the desktop. So, when the computer is starting, do not walk. So, it is startup is starting now. Computer has been open, starting working. So, this is the step wise, you have to follow the steps. Okay. Now, shutting down of computer. Now, you have opened the computer. Now, you have finished your work, you have done your work and you have finished your work. So, you are going to close your computer. So, how you will close? It is important to turn off the computer in a proper manner. So, whenever you have finished your work, you have to shut down your computer in a proper manner. The system file stores in a memory may get damaged, corrupt or delete if system is not shut down properly. Follow the following step to shut down the computer properly. So, whenever you have finished your work on a computer, you have to shut down your computer properly, and you have to follow the step. Step 1, click on start button. You have to click on start button. Second step, now click on shutdown button. You can see shutdown button. Third step, wait till the computer shut down. Shutdown is actually a process of switching off the CPU. After the CPU gets switched off, the computer shut down and the computer screen turned blank. So, when you have switched off the computer, you have to switch off the CPU button also. Okay. Now, step 3, close the power button of the monitor. You have to close the power button of monitor. Second step, switch off the UPS button. You have to switch off the UPS button also. And fifth final step, you can see, switch off the main power button. So, in final step, you have to switch off the main power button. First step, you have to shut down. You have to go in a start menu and then you have to shut down the computer. Third step, you have to power off the button on a monitor when the screen becomes blank and switch off the UPS button, switch off the main power button. So, these are the process that you can switch on and off your computer. So, when you will close your computer properly and open your computer properly, it works very smoothly and it saves your electricity also. Okay. Now, if you take good care while starting and closing your computer, it will stay in good working order for a long time. So, if you do this step, if you will follow this step, your computer works very good and in order for a long time. Okay. So, these are the steps you can see and follow the steps also. Okay. Now, open a program in a computer. If you want to open a program, the computer follow the given steps. So, you want to open some programs like MS Paint, you want to paint or you want to draw something, you have to follow the step. You have to go on all programs, you will click all programs. First step, click the start button. You have to click here, this is the start button. And second step, you have to go on all programs. Third step, click on the programs if you want to open. So, which program you want to open, you have to click here. Okay. For example, this is MS Paint. You want to open MS Paint. Okay. Now, you can see the folders that you have seen. Window Media Player will open. So, here is Window Media Player. You have clicked Window Media Player program. So, this is open. Now, you can listen to the songs and Window Media Player. So, you can listen the songs and you can see how you will open the folders. So, these are the steps how to open the programs. You have to go on a start button first, second step all programs, and then you can search on there also. You can write the names, which program you want to open, and these are the folders that you have opened. And third step, when you are, for example, you have opened songs, so you can listen the songs also. Okay. So, this is the chapter how computer works. So, we have finished the chapter 8. Now, take out your exercise work, page number 58. When we follow the proper dash to shut down the computer, it close all the system files before turning off. After switching on the computer, turn on the monitor. Time taken by computer to open and process something is called booting. Fill in the blanks. It is important to take proper care of the computer. The process by which a computer is turned on is called booting. Dash all programs before shutting down the computer is close. The turn on the computer, press power button. So, these are the answer. Write true or false. To start a computer, what we have to do? Switch on the main power button. True. We have to switch on the main power button. Switch off the UPS and the main power switch. No, this is false. Switch on the UPS if your computer is connected to one. Yes, true. Press the on restart button on the CPU and then switch on the monitor. Yes, true. So you have to follow the step. So to how to start a computer. Okay. Now you can do this in your copy. Exercise A, B and C. So this is their homework. We have finished the chapter. Chapter 8. You can revise the chapter also. Okay. So for today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.